thing's pretty awesome. Twisty river heady thingy. Open it up like this. Okay, first roadblock with the Rivnuts. I decided to go with the Plusnuts and Rivnuts, and so you use this Rivnut Plusnut tool. I got the one that does both, the Astro 1450, and this thing's pretty awesome. So let me see if I can get you an example here. So I'm using two of the different holes. One is a 1032, which I'm gonna install now, which is a little bit smaller, and that's the Plusnut. And the other one is this M8 stop sign shaped hole that I'm using for the Rivnut. So this is easy to install. Just add the correct sized, I don't know what you call this thing, twisty river heady thingy.
Say again?
Twisty river heady thingy on. Just like that.
I can't see! I can't see!
Okay. Okay. And put this top piece on. And there you go. You're ready to do 1032s. So, buy these little doodads. Kind of expensive, but the reason I chose them is that they're way stronger than just drilling into the side of the van, and you already have holes there, so why not use them? You just screw it on like that, and then you're gonna put it in the pre-drilled hole, and you open it up like this, Then you screw, and then you, like that. So let me give you a real life example. This is what those holes look like. So we've got, this is the 1032 hole, and these are the M8s, Oxagon. So I'm not doing anything with these bigger ones, but just these ones. So they're all over the van, and they're also in the ceiling. So let me see if I can find one to show you. I'll try. I kind of pre-did them. I think I videoed it though. Here, I'll do one. Yeah, I'll do one over here. Yeah, okay. That one, that one, that one. Let's do that one.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, this is sideways. That probably won't come out good. There we go. Let's do that. Okay. Let's do that one. So, yep, screw it all the way on. Okie dokie. Pull it into the hole. I chose this one because they're easier than the other ones, so I can look strong. Then, just screw it up a little bit. Oh, don't hit yourself in the face. Do that. Open it, screw it again. You don't have to go all the way down because it makes it harder to go, so you can just do it in a couple tries so you don't have to burn out your arms too bad. I usually like to do it in 3 tries. Whoa. So see when it goes like that? Oh, you can't do it anymore? That means it's done. So then you can just stand here and do this for a long time, or just do this. And voila, you're done. Easy peasy. And then you've got your riv nut in there. Or plus nut.
Riv nut, plus nut.
Yep. That's it. Hi, Dad.
Hi. Hey.
So for these up here, we gotta drill some holes to put the plus nuts in. So we're trying to decide where is a good spot.
Down here.
Down there. Perfect.
Perfect.
It's already there. Step 1. I am tapping little dents so the drill can hold. I cannot remember what this tool is. That's step 1. Step 2, I'm using this tiny drill bit to start the hole, which is 11/64ths. 11/64th, small little guy. And then step 3 for creating the same hole diameter to use the 1032 plus nuts. I am using a 5/16th drill bit, so this will be the final product. After that, I will be going through and cleaning up any metal burrs if there are any, and then putting a little bit of paint to keep it from rusting, and then the plus nuts. Yesterday I was able to finish the plus nuts. So I got those all installed around the upper edges. Okay, first roadblock with the riv nuts. We've got these middle ones. It sort of, you know, we tried to screw it in and it was a little bit difficult. We kept going and it actually stripped it. And we didn't even MF it. So, yeah, lame. So if you use these, be very, very careful. It doesn't take much to cross thread it. So, awesome. Another trip to the hardware store we go. So those M8 riv nuts, we found a little trick, and it's to make it square, because when you insert these in here, they kind of go in a little wonky. So all we do is
Put the nut in, and then visually look at it to make sure it's square to the surface. And parallel horizontal.
and then if it's not, what do, Dad? Tap, 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 tap. There you go. And that makes it a lot easier to line up and get those bolts in, especially these big ones, because they're horrible.
Yeah, they're horrible.
They're horrible. They have to be exact. So, yeah, it's helped us a lot. Tip.